na-announce ni President Luzona na for the first time, all municipalities have a doctor. Ito yun, kasi dati Dr. Dulubarius program siya ng time with Secretary. Pinuloy namin yun, nadagdagan na nurse deployment, nadagdagan ng PIDWAT, nadagdagan ng iba't ibang health. So ngayon is now called the National Health Workforce Support System. It is for 4th class, 5th class, 6th class municipalities. I have the so 60% are lack of human resource, 30% are delayed construction. So kasalanan ng contractor na poldwa pero hindi natapos. Ito yung mga walk away na dati sa bidding, kinuha lang amount, tapos mag-uumpisa ng konting poste, tapos aalis na. And then we're stuck with the problem. And then 10% are DPWH. So there are some, the local government wants the DPWH to implement. So hindi kami na-implement. So yung sa DPWH, ang problem is permit to construct. What's nicer about health facilities is we are stricter than, let's say, a school. Kasi a school is just built on their design. Sa amin, the contractor has to show the detailed architectural engineering design, which just come to the licensing for the facility. So dahil nasa explain sa amin, bibigyan namin ng permit. That's the only time they can construct. Sometimes, they want to na, pero hindi sa fit or pinababago yung sa modification to fit the licensing. And then when they finish it, babalik ulit yan sa licensing namin para i-license siya as a health facility. Kailangan up to standards. So, sabi nga sa akin, ayaw ko yung ibang contractor kasi daw manipis. So you understand already when we say what is manipis. So, because we are very strict with how to build, kailangan build up to specs. So, ang problem namin with 60% is really the lack of healthcare workers hired by the local. And this is coming from the income of the health facility. We have to hire the municipal health officer, the officer, the midwife that will work in the health center.
Madam Chair,
Well, yes, Senator, Madam Chair, Senator Bamudafi.
with the indulgence of Senator Tiveros.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Secretary, nabanggit po yung walk away. Ilan po yun? Kasi it sounds like a ghost project to me, no? Ilan po yung walk away na sinabi mo?
30% delayed for no longer alive. So what happens there is we actually terminate the contract, and then with the remaining amount, we try to finish the contract
To find another contract. So hindi naman po itong mga walk away, hindi naman ito completed projects.
Yun ang cost na kaya nakatayo.
Sorry, so just to be clear, usually that's just 30% ang nabayad sa contractor na. Diba kasi may mobilization na po. That's 30%, right?
Yes.
So, in your records, hanggang 30% lang po yung nabayad dito sa mga walk away. O meron po bang